Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Masala Sattu drink, a perfect healthy summer cooler. So let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, I'm using 2 tablespoons sattu flour, also known as chana sattu. For those who are new to sattu, sattu is nothing but flour made from roasted chana. Now, this is black chana, which in Malayalam we call as kadala. And this chana, once it is roasted, it will become like this. Now this is called roasted chana. In Malayalam we call this as pottu kadala. To make chana sattu, all you have to do is remove the peel of the roasted chana and then grind this roasted chana to a fine powder. Once you grind this to a fine powder, you get this sattu, also known as chana sattu. Sattu is a good source of vegetarian protein. It helps to keep your body cool. The high fiber can help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Thus, it helps in weight loss and weight management. That being said, if you're looking to include more fiber in your diet, you can include the dark peel or skin of the roasted chana when you grind it at home to make sattu. The low glycemic index and the high fiber makes it an excellent drink to manage blood sugar levels. Because of its cooling abilities, sattu is an excellent drink to have in the summers as it helps to make your body cool. Once the roasted chana is ground to a fine powder, you get chana sattu. To make the drink into a serving glass, I am adding in 2 tablespoons chana sattu, adding half teaspoon sea salt, 1/3 teaspoon black salt or as needed. Black salt is also known as kala namak. 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. A sprig of fresh mint leaves. I am tearing the mint leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. 1 tablespoon finely chopped onion. 1 tablespoon finely chopped coriander leaves. Squeeze in half a lemon. Fill half of the glass with water. With a spoon, give it a good mix. Once the sattu is nicely mixed, add in some ice cubes and fill the rest of the glass with water. Give it a quick stir. And lastly, garnish it with a sprig of mint leaves. And my super healthy Masala Sattu drink is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy Masala Sattu drink and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.